again, friends. Well, now we are already on our TradingView platform. Today we'll turn a small amount of money into a larger amount. We'll show you how easy it is to make money using TradingView and the Pocket Option Broker. Now we'll show you a couple of indicators that we've been working with and realized we can achieve good results and developed our own strategy. Now we'll demonstrate it. Now we'll choose two indicators for this strategy. Red will explain how they work. Alligator and RCI. We have divergence here by RCI and by alligator. And we can observe where the global trend is moving. These are very good indicators that can help you earn your first money in trading. So friends, now I'll move to the Pocket Option platform to show you how to apply this strategy. Look, open our screenshot right away and draw sliding lines. Look, pay attention to where the situation is heading. The orange line, the moving average, it denotes the average value. It skyrockets according to the candlestick patterns. Also the moving high and moving low. The situation is generally on the rise, and we see we have a green. Candlesticks, will highlight them now. This pattern is heading upwards, friends, of course. The chart is strange to us, and many will say it's quite dangerous to open here, but we won't heed that. We'll pay attention to where the trend itself is moving. And we'll open for a short position. Also pay attention to the RCI indicator, which is over 57. And it's a positive sign, friends. The trend will be moving up, and we'll now confirm this with you on the Pocket Options platform. We have $29 in the balance. We will open the first trade to increase this position, and definitely set 1 minute, 1 second so that you have a 1 second reserve. It can save you. In any challenging situation on the chart, friends, write in the comments, what amount did you start trading with on the Pocket Options platform? And what was your result? Did you like it or the interface, the platform itself? Share. It would be interesting to know about your experience. So friends, 3 seconds, 2, 1, great. The trade is in profit, all right? Krasky made a good trade and explained how the indicator works. Now I want to demonstrate the second indicator that we are also using today. So friends, we've switched to the Pocket Option Broker, and now we will learn how to conduct a brief analysis of a currency pair, RCI. Let's do this analysis again right now, just in case. We see that our chart crossed the moving average. At one point it went down, but at one point there was a sharp reversal of the trend and the chart led up. This will most likely lead to the fact that the chart will move sideways. We need to catch the entry point to orient ourselves from the moving average. As we can see, there is some fluctuation. And because the chart is trying to bounce off the moving average, we must seize the right moment and open a bearish trade. We must open trades for 1 minute, and in this strategy, this is an important point to consider. Half a minute has already passed, and we can see the chart bouncing of the moving average and moving downward. 4, 3, 2, 1 second, and great! The trade successfully closes in profit thanks to our trade analysis. And we will continue to initiate trades based on our alligator and RCI indicators. The next trade will be opened in red, and I will explain why and how. So look, my dear traders, at the moment we have a situation where the price is declining and is starting to accumulate here. Here it descended, and here it started to accumulate, moving sideways and then continuing downward steadily. Also, according to the RCI indicator, we've had a strong decline. The price held here and then went down here. And here we have a delay. We have 5 seconds left. Friends, 2, 1, successful. We earned $40. Now we will choose another currency pair. We'll conduct a brief analysis on it and we'll start trading on it, increasing our bets. We traded for $20, now we're trading at $60, and we'll gradually increase our amount, adding to our balance, which we see here. And according to our alligator indicators, we see a crossing of moving averages, which means that currently the chart is changing its trend. It has a wave-like texture. At this moment, it is likely to turn around at some point. Now it's important to us to guess this certain point. We see the RCI indicator comes to our aid. We see that at the moment, our chart is trying to cross the moving average. At such moments, it's necessary to definitely open trades in the downward direction, which we're doing now. So friends, as you can see, according to the chart's fluctuations, there's a trend change occurring. It was going up. Now there will be a change to the lower trend. On the downturn, we just have to wait for the right moment. 10 seconds left, and guys, the market's fluctuating. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Our analysis was successful, and we've made a successful trade. So, alright, the next trade will be opening the red. We won't open here, we won't open here. We'll think here, here. Let's open during the rise, fellows. Why during the rise? Because we have a situation during the rise. So now I'll explain you in more detail. Look, we have the primary trend moving up. We have the RCI indicator. It shows us the market volatility. Look, the market volatility is 50% right now. It broke this barrier and went up. Then we have a resistance area according to the alligator indicator. It's successfully moving up. We see a triangle pattern also. According to the alligator indicator, we've got lips, teeth, and a jaw opening. Green, red, blue, very risky situation, but wow. My friends, $150 net profit, unbelievable. Let's move on. The green opens up to the next currency pair, and this, my friends, will be the final trade. We won't be translating this. So friends, what I'm going to do now is open a new trade, and the first thing I want to do is choose a currency pair. I want to choose a currency pair that has a higher percentage of payouts. I like this currency pair. It'll be tough here, but I'll do a brief analysis for you. Here we see the downward trend that the alligator indicator shows us. The RCI also shows us that the chart is moving quickly downward, but right now the chart is in an uncomfortable position for us. It's dangerous for us to open a trade. We need a little jump up, which we're going to get right now. There it is. We caught the right position, fixed our profit. Just look at how easily we made a bunch of money. We were able to make more than $120 in just 1 minute. That's a great result. So friends, watch this. 2 indicators, alligator and RCI. Great choice, simplest and easiest analysis, simplest strategy. 1 minute and 1 second. You set these parameters, watch. Do a brief analysis, you get money. There are 10 seconds left, and we just watch as we get into a great position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, great friends.